steeped in history and significance. A special thank you for those in the General Assembly for your votes and financial support for saving the state treasure. Another special thank you to our facilities director, Scott Mims. He has put many miles on his truck to Columbia and back to get this project going. This building was completed in 1938 with the support of the Works Progress Administration. Howe Hall stands as a testament to our nation's resilience, ingenuity during the Great Depression. This hall not only provided employment to many during the difficult times, but also contributed to the enrichment of McCormick County and beyond by fostering education and unity. This campus is considered home to thousands of children across South Carolina, and this building has been the focal point. As this building writes a new chapter, we want to honor the legacy of Dr. John Howe, the men who built this historic hall, those who worked here, and the thousands of children who walked these halls the past 86 years. Their dedication and hard work laid the foundation for a brighter future, one we continue to build upon today with our current students. Howe Hall is more than just a building. It is a symbol of our enduring spirit and commitment to progress. With this groundbreaking, we renew our pledge to preserve the 227-year history of John Howe while embracing the opportunities of tomorrow. Let us continue to work together to ensure that Howe Hall remains a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come. Now I'd like to ask our Board of Trustees Chairman, Mr. Hugh Bland, to come to the podium for remarks.
Thank you, Mr. Cowan. Certainly a day we've been looking forward to for a long time, and I'd like to also echo that the support we've gotten out of Columbia to get this done has been tremendous on every side, and everybody's been working hard to get this day come. It's sort of like Christmas to see it starting, to be honest with you. It's almost like we're getting ready to see we can finally open a nice present in several months or a year, whatever it takes. But anyway, we're getting started today, and I'd like to thank all of you for coming today to share this momentous occasion to dedicate the start of doing some work on this building to make it like it should be, and so that our students will have an excellent place to continue learning. At this time, I'd like to call Representative Patrick Haddon for a few remarks.
Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited about this. Every time I come to Howe, I just wish I'd been here. Well, maybe not then, but I wish this would have been here when I was in high school. My parents would have loved to have had me down here. I look so forward to the leaders that this school is going to put out and what this building represents. I've gotten to know the seniors over the last 3 years, and I am so impressed with them. We have them, y'all come to Columbia, and you're such great advocates. But can you imagine what this building is going to do for the future of this campus right now? I can't wait to see what happens and what comes out of this in 5 or 6 or 10 years, or 25 or 30, or the next 86 years. I look forward to the day that I'm working for one of these students. That will be the day that I'm looking for. So thank you for coming on behalf of my really good friend, Annie McDaniel, that serves on the Ag Committee on the House side with me. She's a great advocate of education, and I love seeing her up here. So thank you for coming. I want to just say, look, everything about the ag community in South Carolina for me starts right here at Howe, because this right here sends out the next future leaders of agriculture. Thank you very much. The guy behind all this.
Wow, what a day to be a part of South Carolina Government School of Agriculture. As I said before, I'm Scott Mims, Director of Facilities here at the South Carolina Government School. I would like for everyone part in our progress as you come in. We have a bunch of projects going on. And I was once told by an old boss of mine, if you don't push it, it won't move. Well, let me tell you, Dr. Cowan, the Board of Trustees, the legislators, the governor, the community, and myself have been pushing the Governor's School of Agriculture like a train. We have been blessed with multiple projects here at the South Carolina Government School for Agriculture. I'm gonna run down a list, a couple of what we got going. As you saw coming in, security fencing, you saw we're about to get it started out. We got the footers poured. That will be completed by November of 2024. We're in the backside of the school. We have a state-of-the-art greenhouse that's currently under construction. That will be completed in November of 2024. We also are working currently right now on the state-of-the-art ag shop, which will be completed by August of 2025. We got the funding for the 2 new residence halls, which will add 20 more kids. This project should be completed by January of 2025. And this place, this has been the key spot of the whole deal, and it's roughly 22,000 square feet. This building will be home to our Common Core classes, which will also include a 275-person auditorium for our students as well as our community. This project will be completed by August of 2025. So the next school year, we should be ready to rock and roll. I would like to thank the following people who made this happen. First of all, Dr. Cowan for allowing me to run forward with a vision with our school. Second, DP3 Architects for listening to the vision and putting this project together. Third, legislators, thank you. Y'all approved our funding, and that was big. Governor McMaster for standing behind our vision every time we've been to Columbia. He's been behind us. Also, I have Mr. Hank Kolke of Kolke Construction for accepting this project to complete our vision. This project originally started in 2019. We originally were going to do L.S. Bryce. In 2020, when Dr. Cowan became our new president, his vision was to use the best looking building on campus. So we switched gears and started the process of Howe Hall. Of course, we all know what happened in 2020, COVID. After that, the building prices went sky high, and we realized we did not have enough funds to complete the project. We then went back to our legislators. They stepped up once again, gave us our money, which leads us to today. In closing, as we stand here today to honor our graduates of 2024, I want them to know, even though they will never walk these halls, use our new greenhouse or our new ag shop, these projects would have not been possible without their sacrifice. And to say that, thank you. I am honored to be a part of the South Carolina Agricultural School with a great team, staff, and community. Thank you.